Yes, so I was telling, I was giving my introduction, and yes, from the last 7, 8 months, I have created my YouTube channel also for English learning and speaking. Because yes, English speaking and learning is my passion. But yes, I haven't uploaded any conversational video. I upload different kind of English related videos. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are reading good read books, listening songs, and cooking. So yes, this is all about my introduction.
Okay, that's great indeed. So, actually, introduce myself. So let's get started. So, first of all, thank you so much. My name is Abdul Salam. I'm from Assam, northeast part of India, and I have done my graduation from Guwahati University. I have also completed my PGDCA course, diploma in computer, and
Okay.
my hobbies learning English and playing game like outdoor games like cricket, volleyball. So and as well as I have learning this language English, and currently I have been working a computer shop.
Oh.
So that's all about.
So you have created your YouTube channel also. So just tell me when you have started and what kind of content do you upload on your channel?
Okay. If I talk about my YouTube channel, so I have one YouTube channel created before 1 month ago, and
Okay.
I have just this language uh, conversational video up in my YouTube channel, and a blogging video like another place, going to another place. At that time, I think English video and English learning.
Hmm.
So actually, I'm English beginner. So before 1 month ago in our YouTube channel create, and 20 days or 25 days in our journey start this language. So that's why I uploading. Okay,
Mhm.
okay, no problem.
From the last 1 month, you are learning this language.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Last
So
1 month.
last 1 month, and when you have joined this application?
This application join 25 days, 25 or 1 month.
Okay, okay. And I have joined this application on 1st of January this year, 1st of January.
4th of January.
1st of January. So approx 1.5 month I have completed here. And here I get so many learners because yes, earlier I have tried audio platforms also, but consistency was not there because only 3, 4, 6 learners I got. And as you are also using this app, so you are aware that here we get 400, 500 learners like this. So we can just maintain our consistency.
So almost 500 people, 500 learners. This application join.
Yes, yes.
So when did you start your learning this language?
See, I have tried, means my background up to 12th, it was totally Hindi medium, so I have never get chance to speak. But yeah, my English, if I talk about my English speaking journey, so it started in April 2021. I have tried on audio platforms, so I was not consistent that much. That is why there was so much things to improve in my English speaking. But this time I am very happy and uh, little bit satisfied that I am consistently speaking on this app without skipping any single day. So I am very consistent on this app. But journey started in 2022 English speaking.
2022.
22.
Oh,
But yes, that I
almost
have just
3 years.
हाँ,
3 years.
3 years. 3 years, you can say that, but I was very fixed learner, so consistency was not that much high. It means here I have, you can say that here 1.5 month I have spent now. So if you compare with those, means what I have tried, so it is equal to 6 months whatever I was speaking
Okay,
there.
okay.
So here 1.5 months. So you can say that here my productivity is very much high.
Okay, I got it your point. So actually, you start this journey 2022, and
Hmm.
6 month last 6 month you're very uh, good and very consistency.
No. I'm saying
So
you. If I talk about my consistency, it started in 2021, but I have tried. Means I can say that approx 1 year it was totally blank because speakers
totally blank.
I couldn't find any speaker. In means 2022 I started, but up to 1 year it was totally blank. I wasn't practicing my English speaking at all. So here I come now. So what I'm saying is, if I compare with on that audio platform, so here 1.5 month, in only 1.5 month, it is feel like I have talking from the last 6 months. What I'm telling you, ki my productivity is very much high here because I don't skip any
Okay.
single day in last 1.5 month. Because
Oh,
this type of platform is working. I have no idea that on Skype app, this app is so much beneficial. Any person commented on my any YouTube video that you should join this application. That is how I come to know on this app, and I just joined. So I can say that I have joined this application just because of my YouTube channel.
okay. Actually, this application, Skype application, is very helpful for
Huh,
beginner learners, for very helpful platform, I think.
very helpful, very helpful.
So in our starter journey last 1 month.
So how's the weather at your place?
Okay. Today weather is very shine. So actually nowadays weather is very good.
Good means you are trying to say warm or cold. In good in which sense?
Warm,
Warm, warm.
warm.
Hmm. Here also warm because yes, I'm from UP, so not that much warm, but yes, in February month, you can just imagine that in February month, weather is pleasant. What I'm trying to say.
Weather is but a little bit warm and
Hmm.
oh, so cool or cold or warm. And after February month, uh, be a little warm after March, so that I'm very warm.
Yes. April, May,
Start
June, July,
summer, start
summer.
summer season.
Yes, summer season, and nowadays we are aware that it is becoming more unbearable. Summers are very becoming bad. Temperature is very high due to global warming.
Temperature.
Yes.
Actually, UP in our state name,
Hmm.
UP,
UP? Yes.
Uttar Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
Uttar Pradesh. Oh, what is your native language
Hindi. It's Hindi.
in and your mother language?
Bhojpuri also. Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri.
But
Okay.
I all the time I speak Hindi.
All the time you speak Hindi.
All the time. Yes. Whatever.
Okay.
That is why I'm here because at my workplace in with my family members I talk only in Hindi. So here I get
All
chance
family members talk about Hindi.
in Hindi
Okay.
because yes, if suppose if I would talk in English, so why I would come here if I have already my family members. because yes, I never come here or in any platform to talk in Hindi because my Hindi is very much good. As your what is your mother tongue?
Okay. My mother tongue is Bengali and my native language Assamese.
See,
Because
it's very interesting to hear this. Your mother tongue is Bengali, but your native is Assamese. So you know both languages.
yes, yes, both languages.
Okay, so you both
Actually,
language
my
used to say.
yeah,
Mhm.
okay, I talk about actually academic language Assamese. Because in our state Assamese, all
Mm.
people so Assamese, and my mother language Bengali. So I live at village area. So
Mm.
in our Lower Assam district, and it's called a Sor area. Okay,
Oh,
village
oh,
area, village area.
okay, okay. So you know many languages: Assami, Bengali, Hindi. You know.
Yes, yes, I know Hindi little bit, so not fluent speaker Hindi.
Yeah, but yes, I can
Assam
say that
is
you are multilingual. You know many languages.
multi Assam. I can Assamese, Bengali, Hindi, and also little bit English. Okay,
English, you are working. On English, you are working. Yes.
fourth language. I can fourth language.
But I can say that Hindi, English, I know, and Bhojpuri also I know, but Bhojpuri is very much near to Hindi. So I can say that yes, I know three languages.
Okay, okay, that's. I don't know Bhojpuri. I not understand, and I yeah,
Okay.
Bhojpuri song is a very good song. Actually,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Bhojpuri song in our state very popular.
famous.
Bhojpuri
You
famous,
know,
famous.
you know why it is popular or famous because you know now means in Bollywood songs also they are making only remakes already songs which are already
Remix,
there
remix.
they are making remakes means they are not providing any new and nice songs because you know my hobby is listening songs so I am means I was fond of I was fond of Bollywood songs when any new songs coming now means suppose 4 5 years ago or even 7 years ago songs were very good so I just used to search and download yes means I try to watch but yes now songs are only remake and not that much good means its quality is degraded now but in Bhojpuri what you get nice songs their beat is very nice they make songs with hard work with effort with great effort so that is why it is popular all over the India because you know I have on audio platform I have spoken to one guy from South India so he told that in his area also means in Andhra Pradesh
হ্যালো, নেটের সমস্যা হতে
because you can also it is very hard yes
okay, okay.
Hmm.
Actually, Bhojpuri song my favorite because Bhojpuri is the best and very remix sound quality and very uh,
Hmm.
good. I think Bhojpuri and also Hindi song my favorite and
Hindi
Hi- Hindi is the
हाँ
most
हिंदी
popular, famous all over India.
yes yes
Hindi
Hindi is all over हाँ yes yes
like
you
Bollywood,
can
Bollywood, South
Bollywood songs
Bollywood song.
हाँ but I but
Bhojpuri is famous. Bhojpuri is, song is famous for South Indian state, I think.
in South India also it is famous, and it is here in my area also. In UP also it is because
Oh,
yes, we UP means UP people understand and speak Bhojpuri na, so they understand very well, so they listen. Yes.
South Indian language, I think Malay
Malayalam.
language, I think.
Malayalam in Kerala,
Malayalam,
Tamil in Tamil Nadu, Telugu in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and
Andhra Pradesh.
in Karnataka, Kannad. Karnataka, Kannad.
Kannada. And
Maharashtra,
Bangalore,
Hmm?
Maharashtra Hindi. Maharashtra Hindi.
No, no, it's Marathi. It's Marathi.
Maharashtra Marathi. Okay.
Marathi. Yes. And in Gujarat, it is Gujarati. Punjab, Punjabi.
Punjabi.
Yes. And Haryana, Haryanvi. It is little bit different.
Yeah.
Very Haryanvi, very little bit different. It is very little bit different from Hindi. But it is Haryanvi is very similar to Hindi. I can yes.
Similar to Hindi. Okay, okay.
Haryanvi, very similar. Little bit difference. You can say that their accent is little bit different, but yes, largely it is similar to Hindi.
Okay.
Hmm.